question here, find the roots of the equation, this, by factorization method. We know that factorization method is one of the methods of solving quadratic equation. Now let's look at how to go about it. Our equation is x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Now let's look at this. The coefficient of x squared here is 1 and the constant is 1. When we multiply them together, we are going to have 10. Now let's look at the factors of 10. That is two numbers that we multiply themselves to give you 10. We have the first set as 10 and 1. We have another set as 5 and 2. Now each of these can be pairs of factors of 10. Now we are going to pick one of them that will be used to substitute for this 7 here. Now how do we do that? We consider the two numbers. In this particular one, 10 and 1, and here 5 and 2. Which of them can give us 7 when we add them or subtract one from the other? Now let's look at this. If we add 10 and 1, we're going to have 11. If we say 10 minus 1, we're going to have 9. None of these gives us 7, so we cannot use this combination. Here, if we say 5 plus 2, we're going to have 7. Or we say 5 minus 2, we're going to have 3. So one of them, which is this one, will give us this 7. So we're going to use this combination, this 5 and 2, which are the factors of 10, to replace this 7 in this equation. That's the main work in factorization method. Now, since we have 5 and 2, we're going to have x squared, and that 5 and 2, they both will have positive signs, because having gotten this, we have to consider the sign of this 7. This 7 is positive 7. Then these particular two numbers, we have to check the signs we are going to give to them in order to give us plus 7. If I give this minus and give this plus, it will give us minus 3. If I give this plus and give this plus, we're going to have plus 7. If I give them minus and minus, we're going to have minus 7. If I give this plus and give this minus, we're going to have plus 3. So only one of these combinations will give us exactly plus 7, and that is this particular one. So we're going to have positive 5 and positive 2 in order to have positive 7. So we're going to come here and have them like this. Positive 5, we'll add this x. Positive 2, we add that same x. Then we continue. Plus 10 equal to 0. So the whole of this has replaced the whole of this. And the main problem in this factorization method is to get these two factors that will replace 7x. So since we have gotten this, we now have 4 terms in this equation. We are going to group them by 2, that is in pairs. You group this together, you group this together, leaving this sign outside. Now we factorize each of the brackets. The factor here is x, we bring it out. When we divide x squared by x, we have x. We divide x, we use this x to divide 5x, we have 5. Then this plus will also come. The factor of this is 2. Then when we use 2 to divide 2x, we have x also. This sign here, we multiply this, that is plus times plus, it now give us plus. 2 divided 10, we have 5. Then equal to 0. At this point, if what you have in this bracket differs from what you have in this bracket, then you must have made a mistake from here. So for you to know when you are getting it or when you are failing it, at this point, look at these two brackets. If they are the same, automatically you are on the right track. Now we group them like this. The factor outside here join with this one, we now form one bracket. That is x plus 2, one bracket. Then we pick one of these. Since they are the same, we just pick one of them, x plus 5 equal to 0. Because quadratic equation, we always have two answers, we just equate each of the brackets to 0. Because for this to multiply this and give us 0, it means that either of the two or both of them must be 0. So we now have that x plus 2, which is this, equal to 0, or this x plus 5 equal to 0. So we now get the values of x from each of them. We have that x is equal to minus 2, these two crossing over, or here we have x equal to minus 5. So the roots of the given equation is x equal to 2 or minus 5. Thanks for watching.